How is everyone doing? Hope everyone had a good holidays and a happy new year. I kind of put those last 3 videos out really quick because it was footage I've been sitting on for a while and had the time to get them out to try to get everyone updated to where the truck is. It was a really busy year and I'm glad to finally get the videos out so everybody can see. I know there's a lot of stuff that I left out during the build, and I apologize for that, but I had to get something out there, something out there so you knew where I was at on the truck. So let's get into what I'm working on now. So where I last left off on the truck, I pulled the bench seat out because I was finishing up the video that I was working on so you could see, I could show the system, the amps and whatnot. I pulled the seat out. So the seat's chilling in the back of the truck. It'll probably sit there until either I take it to the basement or I'm gonna cover it up. I don't really have too much crazy things planned for the truck, but I might throw some plastic on it just to keep all the dust off of it. And I currently have the truck sitting on jack stands, or well, blocks. It's up in the air. I took the wheels off. The main reason for taking the wheels off is because I wasn't thinking at the time, and I didn't paint the drums. So I plan on painting the rear drums. I'm not sure yet if I will do like a mini truck color theme with that to try to, I don't know, have something wild and crazy, or I just paint them like a gunmetal gray or something simple. That's up in the air. So yeah, I'll probably do the calipers the same color whatever I do. So the calipers I need to paint also. The rear drums are a little bit more weathered. That's one of the main reasons why, because I'm not happy with how they look rusty. So from there, I plan on doing some painting on the interior bits. Like from the other videos, I don't know if you've noticed looking back and seeing them, but the door arm pull and the latch were a different color. So I painted them to match the door panel. So I plan on painting the dash and basically everything inside to match this color. So that's one of the things I need to do. So I need to pull basically the dash and everything out, and which I plan on doing now, and I'll probably pull the kick panels out. So that's kind of what I'm going to be working on. I need to disconnect the battery, and then I will start messing with pulling stuff out. So let's get at it. Well, the dash is out. Now I need to clean up the wiring here a little bit and then get into cleaning up the dash and all the pieces so I can paint them. But for now, I'm just going to get into tidying up some of the wiring, making sure I know where everything goes. I'm not going to take the center console out yet because I'm going to wait till I figure out the shifter or I order parts, one of the two, what I want to do there. That'll be a mod I do. And then sort through the airlines, I guess, if I take that out. Still up in the air on upgrading to like Airlift 3P or something. Yeah, I'm still up in the air. I kind of like the paddles just because they're easy, but I'd also like to be able to like hit a button and get to ride height and then go from there, or just lift the front real quick, all with buttons essentially. So I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air on what I want to do as far as the air ride management. I talked to tons of people and know what they like and whatnot. So it'll just be a matter of money and timing if I swap this out. But I need to take it out and organize things. But I also need to organize the dash wiring. So I'll probably do that next, clean up some of this so it's tidy under there. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here for now. Back out in the garage where I left off, I just pulled all the dash out and all the little bits, and that's where I left off. So here today, I went through and started cleaning everything up for paint. And what I did was the pieces that were really dirty, I scuffed with a gray Scotch Brite pad, and then I washed them with soap and water. And then everything I pretty much cleaned with acetone. Acetone supposedly gets it ready for paint better than anything else from what I've read. And what I'm using is the colorcoat camel color. I'll give you the 15173. And that is the stuff I use to paint the door panels. And I like that color better than, I guess it matches everything. So that's what I went with. So there's not really too much to this one. I cleaned everything and I basically got it ready for paint. The video footage of this isn't very accurate, I guess, color-wise. And then I painted the box with it also. Box, kick panels, glove box piece. Most of the dash pieces I painted, except for the dash, which I'm going to do last. I need to figure out how to pull these out because I would like to clean them up or separate them before I paint them. So I don't know if somebody knows how to pull these out. I haven't really looked to see if they just pop out or what, but the dash I've yet to do. So that'll be in another video. But this one, I'm pretty happy to be, I guess, done with all this stuff painted so then I can get it ready to put back in the truck. I can put the speakers back in the door cards. I can put the speakers back in the speaker box. And this stuff will be all set. I'm still waiting for, like I said, shifter pieces, and that'll be a totally different video. And I still have yet to paint the shifter surround / center console piece. But like I said, that'll be a different video. And I'll probably make a video of me cleaning up and painting the dash separate. But I wanted to, I guess, just keep a video going, even if it's something small, so then you guys can get an idea what I'm doing and try to keep up with me. But yeah, here's the painted pieces again. And as far as the material, I did a sample piece of the material I had. I painted it. This is the original color and then I painted it, and it's pretty good. It's not going anywhere as far as I guess having issues with it, and it's a perfect match for everything else. But I wanted to try a piece of the material before I painted the box, or else I was just going to wrap it with totally different material. But painting it's okay with me. You don't really see it except for the top. So and the kick panels, you barely see those too. But I wanted to paint them versus try to rewrap them, or at least try. I know I can rewrap them, no big issue. But I just wanted to try to paint them first. But that's it for this one. I'm keeping on it, little things at a time. Just trying to improve things, make things look better, to, I guess, make them look better for me. But anywho, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I need to stop really saying I say it way too much.